What's good, y'all? Back with Streetz. You already know what it is. Freestyle cooking with Streetz. You know how we do, man. Got another quick video for y'all, man. Always trying to share anything I'm doing with y'all when I got the chance and the time and I can. You know, like always, appreciate you tuning in and watching. Keep tuning in and watching, you know, to get these great recipes. Freestyle. You know what I mean? Street style. That's how we doing it, y'all. All right? So tonight, I did a taco dinner tonight, so I was gonna go ahead and make a salsa, the green sauce. So I figured I'll pull y'all in and share this sauce recipe with y'all. Okay, you know it's a Mexican green salsa that you go to most restaurants. You get tacos or Mexican restaurants. You get the green sauce or you get the red salsa. You know I love it. So seen a few different kind of recipes on how to put it together, but you know. I'm really just going to do a little basic version with a little bit of my twist to it, Streetz flow, and we're going to get it popping, you know what I'm saying? So maybe when y'all having taco night, matter of fact, this sauce can be used on anything. I'll eat the sauce on chicken, beef, look, tacos, burrito, or like whatever, you know what I'm saying? This is just a universal sauce for me, you know what I'm saying? But it's a Mexican sauce, y'all, that they use on tacos and stuff like that, enchiladas and all that kind of thing. But you can really use the sauce on anything you want. All right, so let's get right into it. On my board, you see I got me some fresh cilantro. I got me some tomatillas. I got avocados, red chilies, some garlic cloves, some scallions. I got some shallots. If you don't have no shallots, you could just use regular onion. I got some cherry bell pepper, the cherry bomb pepper. So, we about to get this green sauce together, y'all. All right. So let's get into it. Let's do it. All right, let's get it. So now I got let's start with our tomatillas. Tomatillo, however you say it, you know what I mean? Bear with me, y'all. But they're basically like they look like green tomatoes, but I don't think they're a part of the tomato family. They're part of like a berry family, gooseberry, I think. That I did my little reading up on it, my little research. But basically, you peel this, and you can get this in your local market. I got this in my local market. Okay. So yeah, I got it in my local market, and you're just gonna peel the little skin off. Where we have, like I said, it looks like a green tomato. Peel the skin off. And it feels a little sticky, but we're gonna rinse it off and clean it, y'all. It feels a little sticky. All right, but it got a banging flavor, y'all. I've used this a couple of times. Because normally when I do tacos, I just make a regular salsa. Or I'll buy like this green salsa already jarred up. But one day I just wanted the challenge of making the green salsa at all these restaurants we have. Okay. Get the rest of the skin off. And this is, like I said, this is about a little under a pound. They're nice sizes. You get some that are bigger, smaller. These about like regular size, I would say. And it's, like I said, it's under, so it's like 3, 6, 7 tomatillos. So it's about like a little under a pound. All right, y'all. Got my tomatillos cut up, washed. Got that sticky feeling off of it, y'all. So I got them washed. I cut them in half, then cut them in half again, y'all. Okay. Depending on the size, if you got small ones, you just cut them in half one time. I had like a regular medium size, or it wasn't too big, too small, so I cut them in 2 halves. All right, get them back up in my bowl. All right, now what I want to do now, I want to go ahead and get my skillet ready, because what I want to do is I want to go ahead and char. I got my garlic, my chilies, my shallots, my cherry bombs. I want to try to go ahead and char this a little bit because I want the most flavor to come out of all this. So I want to char these a little bit, like kind of roast them a little bit so we can get the flavor out of, like the most flavor out of it, y'all. We want this green sauce to be popping. I swear, y'all try this. Y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna use it all the time. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. Got my skillet out. Got it ready to go. Let's go ahead and get this thing heated on up. Go ahead and put it on medium heat. And I'm gonna just let this heat up for a minute, and we're just gonna go ahead and try to just, get some of these veggies toasted up. Then get it up in the blender, y'all, so we can get this salsa, this green sauce popping, man. Like I told y'all, it's real easy, real quick, man. It takes no time, man. And you can use this sauce on any meat. All right, you ain't just gotta have tacos, and you can have it on your chicken or whatever. All right, so we're gonna get us a second to heat up and start the toast up our stuff. Let's do it. All right, now that I got my pan heated up, got a little smoke going on. Go ahead and get my tomatillos up in there. Because I got some room, because I want to charge them and go ahead and get my chilies up in there. Chilies up in there. Get my cherry bomb peppers up in there. Alright, see, I got some more room for her. Go ahead and put my garlic up in there too. So you know what? Y'all? I'm gonna go ahead and get my shallots up in there. You know what? I got room for everything. Let's get our garlic up in there too, y'all. Come on, man. Let's do this. Freestyle cooking with Streetz. All right. So we want to go ahead and toast this one up. Just char it up a little bit, y'all. That's all, because we want the flavors. We want all the flavors to come up. It's smelling good right now. All right, y'all. I got my vegetables charred up. I'm going to go ahead and put these up in my blender. You see, I got my blender ready to go. We're going to get all this up in the blender, y'all. All right, we're going to get that up in the blender. Also, I got my cilantro. We're going to break that up. We're going to get that up in there too, y'all. We're going to get that up in our blender, y'all. All right, y'all. Next, I'm going to take my avocado. We're going to go, we got that pit in the middle, so we're going to go all the way around. You see how I'm going around? I can feel the pit when I go all the way around, so we're going to go all the way around. We got that pit, all right? Open him up. Boom. We got our pit right there, y'all. There we go. And twist it on out. Bang. Got the pit out. All right, now I done got a spoon. So I'm going to go ahead and just scoop the avocado up out the shell. Real easy, y'all. Boom, put that up in the blender. All right, go. All right, now put some salt, and I want to just salt the taste, y'all. But I'm gonna put about maybe just a little over a teaspoon of salt. Start off with, y'all, but it's basically a salt to taste. So after we get our mix going, we're gonna salt and taste. Get some pepper up in there. Same thing, about a teaspoon. But we're gonna salt and pepper to taste, y'all. All right. All right, so go ahead and get our lid on there. We got everything good to go. Hold up, I got a little piece. Okay, so we're gonna get this blended up. I'm gonna pulse it a little time, put a little bit of water in there, a little bit of oil, pulse it. All right. We're gonna just do it till we get nice and smooth, y'all. Maybe about a minute or so. Go ahead and bring this down to low. All right. There we go, y'all. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, it tastes good, y'all. There we go, y'all. There we go. Go ahead and pour it on out. Oh, yeah, there we go, y'all. Got our green salsa popping. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. You feel me? My spoon again tastes a little bit more. Oh yeah, it's tasting good. Spicy. All right. So, you know, you doing taco night. You want to do a salsa or any meat salsa, you can save this up in the fridge for about a few days and put it on anything, man. Tastes real good. Like I said, salt and taste. I put the right amount of salt in there, right amount of pepper. I'm good. So I don't even got to add nothing to this. So please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification, man. You know, I'm always trying to share y'all videos. As soon as I'm on point with it, got it, can give y'all something. You know what I mean? So, all right. So add this Salsa Verde green sauce, all right, to y'all taco dinners or y'all whatever, you know, add it to a dinner, add it to a recipe. See what you get. Freestyle cooking with Streetz. All right. Hit that notification. Y'all get these videos. Holla.